Time to die. Oh, hi everybody. Today, I'm gonna cook a bird.
Hey, hey.
What?
Hey.
No bird for you.
Ah!
Stupid nerd.
Sorry.
So that's all you have to do. You just have to throw the bird in the pan and it'll turn the egg. That easy. Oh, you have to turn on oven to medium. You cook egg. Hear that sizzle. So very good. That's a good sign. That means it's cooking. Hear that good sizzle. You gotta twirl it. Gotta do this. Okay, that's looking good. Then you throw this in the soup. And you just wait for it to cook. Gonna make me some eggs. Easy big eggs. Cooking egg is pretty easy. Just gotta yank the bird in there. Then just turn the splat. The splat. Then turn the egg. Easy. And as you can see, the white sizzling stuff in there. Oh yes, as you can see, how it's white, it's cooking. And then soon it shall be edible. And see how it's not moving around. And you see how the how the stove is very hot and the pot is very hot itself. Keep it on there. And then you just keep spinning it. Okay, that was burn. And this is how you make the perfect omelet. Gotta scoop it and then flip it. And repeat it about 4 times.
2,000 years later.
There you go, the perfect omelet. Oh no. Oh. And the last step for cooking bird is eat it.